don't forget to subscribe.
In the early hours of Sunday, September 2nd, 1666, London awoke to disaster. A fire broke out in Thomas Farriner's bakery on Pudding Lane, and within moments, flames were racing through the city. The houses, made of wood and tightly packed, created a perfect fuel for the fire. A dry summer and strong winds turned the blaze into an unstoppable inferno. Samuel Pepys, a famous diarist of the time, recorded vivid accounts of the fire, describing how it destroyed homes, markets, and landmarks, including the iconic St. Paul's Cathedral. King Charles II and his people tried to stop the flames by pulling down houses to create fire breaks. They also used water squirts, buckets, and anything they could find to battle the blaze. After 5 days of destruction, the fire was finally extinguished. Over 13,000 homes were destroyed, leaving thousands homeless. But remarkably, only a few lives were lost. London was rebuilt with new designs, thanks to architects like Sir Christopher Wren, who created the magnificent new St. Paul's Cathedral. Through diaries like Pepys and paintings of the time, we remember the Great Fire of London, a catastrophe that reshaped the city forever. From the ashes of destruction rose a stronger, more resilient London, a story of survival and renewal.
Subscribe to Bamboo Brain for more awesome videos.